Hello, and welcome to the Tetra Science SIMPLO video series, where we'll explain how the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud can help you visualize chromatography data. Members of chromatography labs, including lab managers, technicians, and analysts, are often faced with issues that arise due to a lack of centralized and harmonized data. The Tetra Scientific Data Cloud addresses these issues by collecting your chromatography data into a single centralized location and engineering it into Tetra data. This contextualizes raw instrument output with sample, method, and instrument metadata and harmonizes the data into a vendor-agnostic format that is analytics and AI ready. With a SIMPLO dashboard powered by the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud, all of your chromatography data can be visualized, compared, and analyzed in a matter of minutes. In just a moment, you'll see examples of these visualizations that demonstrate how our SIMPLO dashboards can lead to faster and better scientific and business outcomes, such as reduced out-of-spec results, more accurate shelf life prediction, increased lab productivity, and lastly, increased compliance and reduced risk. The dashboard I'm about to show you focuses on accelerating and automating crucial elements of method performance monitoring. Chromatography assays must deliver quality data for research, development, and commercial consumption. However, they can suffer from performance degradation due to instrument or column variability, as well as differences in analyst techniques. Review and verification of method performance, although a traditionally laborious process, can help. It defends against out-of-specification events, improves method robustness, and ensures process performance. FDA guidance calls for continuous method performance verification over the method's life cycle. Many across the industry struggle to support this best practice because the method results are trapped in isolated chromatography data systems. Linking aberrations within these results to causative factors is therefore challenging. An ideal solution would enable customers to identify performance trends and their root causes swiftly, establish regular feedback mechanisms for immediate adjustments, and automate systems for chromatography method data collection and visualization. These capabilities lead to several benefits, including reduced downtime and rework via streamlined processes, enhanced data integrity with systems consistently operating in a validated state, and of course, superior operating performance from data-driven decisions. Here we can see the Method Performance tab of the Tetra Science SIMPLO dashboard. Let's look at an example dataset for an HPLC UV assay in the Method Development project. We can see visualizations of peak-level attributes on 18 months of duplicate control sample injections. The most recent run, whose duplicate injections are in the top right corner of the figure, is out of specification. This dashboard currently shows the peak symmetry factor, although it can visualize all of the attributes exposed by the chromatography data system, such as retention time and peak area. Let's go back to the symmetry factor. The failing injections have a symmetry factor approaching 1.8. Values above 1.0 suggest that the peak is experiencing right tailing. We can change the dashboard coloration to see how the instrumentation, columns, and analysts affect method performance. All data has the same method set name, indicating that the same method was run for all data points. After changing the plot colors to highlight the instrument, we see limited evidence that instrument differences systematically affect method performance. By adjusting the colors to match the column serial number, we see that there are some column-to-column variations in performance. After selecting these data points, the drill-down injection table below our visualization provides the column injection counts. The column with the serial number ending in 77123, coloured in green, has a high injection count, and this suggests that replacing this column may be warranted. After changing the colours to match the users in the dataset, we see 3 users in recent history, and that the failing run under investigation was conducted by a new user. We might hypothesize that this is a largely isolated incident, instead of a systematic issue with the method or equipment. We should talk to the new analyst as a next step. By using this dashboard, we are quickly able to survey the complex landscape of chromatography data analysis and zoom in on the most common culprits of method performance issues, namely instrumentation, columns, and analysts. The data suggests that one of the columns may be approaching end of life, and ordering a replacement would be best practice as part of a risk mitigation or continuous improvement strategy. Leveraging the Tetra Scientific Data Cloud to build a method performance dashboard enables a streamlined analysis of key parameters, eliminating the need for manual referencing of old COAs, batch records, inventory spreadsheets, or other systems. That concludes this demonstration of the Tetra Science SIMPLO dashboards. Please email demo@tetrascience.com if you have any questions or would like to schedule a live demonstration. Thanks for watching.